Transportation in Toronto is called TTC. Rarely there is a sign that says subway. So look for the TTC sign and go underground. First of all, you need the Presto card. This is a $6 non-refundable card. You can pay by cash or card, and we just used up all the little tiny coins just to top up. The machine is in English, very easy to understand and operate. It also has different languages. You can also download the Presto app to keep track, or eventually when you leave Toronto, you can refund everything with 4% fee. Simply take your card and tap, and you're able to see your balance and go through. Follow the signs to your location, so I am now taking the train, line 1. You need to check both sides, whether it's going north or south. However, since I'm at the end of the station, both of the trains go one direction. The underground here is very old, so there is no signal. There are also no rats, however, there are many black mice. Go inside and sit down. Most of Toronto people do not sit next to you, they would rather just stand up. However, between 4 to 6, it will be completely packed. On the subway, you can find several maps. Internet is very expensive in Canada, so I just picked up a map and I went around without any data. You can find these maps on all transportation. You can see the different subway lines, tram lines, and attractions all on one map. Luckily, there's not many lines in Toronto. There's even a zoomed-in section just for downtown. Line 1 is the crazy line, so if you see anything weird, just stay away. The subway announcements are very clear, and above some doors you're able to see where you are. Once you reach your destination, you can just walk through the doors, you do not need to tap again. You can now use your free transfer up to 2 hours on buses or trams. The trams stop in the middle of the road, however it's illegal for cars to take over. Using the Presto card will save you a lot of money. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!